animals. Dondie will match the animals. Dondie will match the animals. Animals. Dondie, what is this? Elephant. Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Elephant. Where's the elephant? Elephant. What is this? Match the animals. Where's the cow? Very good. This, what is this? Sheep. Where's the sheep? Very good. This, what is this? Where is the horse? Where is the horse? Where's the horse? Yes, that's the elephant. Where is the horse? Rabbit. Oh, where's the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? You match the rabbit. Hindi. Where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit here? Oh, huh? Searching. The duck. Oh, where's the duck here? Oh, duck. Where's the duck? Very good. This one, what is this? Oh, where is that? What's that? Fish. What this one? Very good. How about this? What is this? Oh, where's the horse? Very good. How about this one? What is that? You put there. Where? You put there. Dondie likes the elephant. Playing with the elephant.